Happy Halloween, everybody. Glenn and Reed here from Hawaii Trading Academy. Hope you guys got the candy ready. Get some trick-or-treating done. We will be dishing out, we won't be dishing out candy, but we're going to be dishing out trading our watch list, okay? A little gift. We do this weekly. We prepare this watch list for our community to get ready for the week, upcoming announcements, a lot of moves, see what we see and what we're paying attention to. So with that being said, we're going to be jumping in. I'll share my screen. What I like to keep track of is gold on a daily. As of now, it's been sideways for a little bit, so nothing much. I see opportunity for a longer term trend. It's just going sideways for now. Let's look at the S&P 500. On daily, new highs. We have made new highs for a lot of the indices. You can see here on the daily we broke above the previous high of 45.37 on the close. Broke up, strong momentum, small pullback on the daily, and then we continued on. We closed at 4,600 on Friday, and then we gapped up today. Let me go zoom in. On the pre-market open, Sunday open, you can see we gapped those 46.02, and then we open at 46.08. So small point gap. The price is continuing on. Momentum is there. Great looking bull trend right now. So good time to go long there. Let's go to the NASDAQ. What I look at too, it's going to be a similar move. Broke the recent highs of 15,696. Strong move. Last week they had a bunch of the big tech companies doing their announcements for their earnings, I think, earning report.
Yeah, earnings.
So it kind of just correlated with like, hey, here's the strength, here's what's going on. So right now, we're hitting new highs on the NASDAQ. You'll see the same with the Dow. Similar pattern, similar setup, new highs. So very good for that. So find a point where you can jump in and get long and just ride it. On the Forex side, a lot of the pairs for me, nothing really active I see. Let's look at odd yen. It's been on a nice bull run, bull trend. Then price started consolidating here, but I mean you can see it's making newer. So it's making higher lows, right? So we had a low at 84.69, then a new higher low at 85.15. While it's maintaining this some sort of resistance here, but we'll see how that one plays out. If we break out of the previous high, then it is a good opportunity to go long. Euro USD, I was keeping my eye on this, but on Friday there was a big sell-off, strong sell-off. It is a tricky market. I'm on the sidelines for this one, just watching it, seeing what it does. It's gonna range. If not, if this bear momentum continues, if it just breaks below the recent low, then yep, time to go short. So that one, what was the other one I had? You know what, nothing else. I feel like for Forex overall, for me, a lot of the pairs are unfolding right now. So we might see some setups later in the week, hopefully, some good opportunities, and then we can go ahead and get in. But same thing, a lot of the yen pairs, good momentum, but it's been sideways here. Let's look at Bitcoin. This is a 4-hour chart. Bitcoin futures, nice bull move here, made a new high, 67,000. We bounced off of that, $10,000 down, hit a low of 57,000, and now the bulls are picking up momentum. We had a small gap down open here. So it's just sitting to figure out if you can find a good spot to get in long, because that is what the overall trend is right now. So yeah, that's that. Let's look at Ethereum futures. Ethereum has been stronger, a bit cleaner looking. It's more less of a bounce compared to Bitcoin. Hit a new high 45.15. We are currently at 43.32. So that's a good buy, I think. Go long, go long. Just ride the train. So I think that's all I have for now. Pass it over to you, Reed.
Swatch, my man. Cool. So I only have one Forex pair on watch list this week, correlated with Euro USD. Shows Euro USD real quick. Euro USD was going bullish, then it dropped, tanked down, uh, showing some very strong bearish momentum here. But if we go and look at pound dollar USD, it's showing this nice descending channel formation, creating lower lows. We're in a bear market overall. We had a bull run since September, end of September, and all the way through October, all of October, and finally at the end of the month, we get this huge bearish momentum play here. So what I'm looking for is some entries here. Right now it's just low volume. Everything's correcting. A lot of pairs have been overextended, which is why I only have pound dollar. It's showing the nicest formation. It's below a lot of my EMAs. Has bearish engulfing, bearish momentum. So I am just short bias on this one overall. That's it for Forex. I'm not in any trades right now, and it's just really short, sweet, and simple. I like looking at crypto. Bitcoin looks like it'll be correcting. It could be bouncing back and forth into a range all over, but still bullish overall. I like how it's shaping up. And as far as Ethereum goes, it looked like we having a solid rejection off the 50 EMA, and it could just continue on breaking through the all-time highs and going even farther. Question is, how far, and will we reach $5,000 by the end of the year? Who knows? No one knows. But high hopes here. As far as probability goes, if it creates higher highs, then it's very probable that it'll continue on and hit 5,000 before the end of the year. But nothing's a guarantee in these markets, in any market.
Yeah.
So we'll just see what happens.
How's
And
Cardona?
Cardona. Oh, well, actually,
Yeah.
this is Shiba.
Sheep? Oh
I have
yeah.
that. I'm just watching it because it's the hype. Everyone's talking about it. Let's see what's gonna happen with Shiba here. As far as Cardona ADA, I'm
Yeah, right?
actually
Yeah.
completely on the sidelines. I'm not even watching it. As you can tell, it's not even on my watch list
Don't
here.
you
So
have it up on
since
there on your watch list on the right?
oh my goodness, I
That's
do. My bad, guys. My bad. Good eye, bro. ADA. I should remove that flag because I'm not really watching. So it's just correcting, man.
oh,
It's
I see.
um something about this coin though. This is where the whole Shiba and Cardona come to play. Is Cardona for a very long time, and this is why we see this very bullish run. The developers were saying how it's going to be utilized in a lot of different ways on a lot of different apps. It's going to be the new Ethereum, right? The Ethereum killer, as a lot of these coins are trying to overtake Ethereum. And ADA was very hopeful, but seeing that when they set out announcements when things were going to happen, it didn't happen. That's why we're seeing this bearish momentum. Things have not happened, and now we're just seeing investors starting to pull out slowly. Everyone's pulling out slower and slower. But I mean, I'm not saying anything against it, which we don't know. A lot of people are waiting for these developers to actually make this coin utilized in the crypto sphere. And the reason why we're seeing Shiba actually excel, Shiba already has apps that you could actually is backed off of Shiba, and Shiba is actually backed off the Ethereum network. So it's yeah, they're all backed off of like either Bitcoin or Ethereum. So it's just fascinating to see like Shiba, kind of like Doge, came out as a joke, and now they're actually doing something, more than what Cardona has promised anyway, which is really funny, ironic maybe, I don't know, but it's just interesting times in the crypto sphere. I'm still learning it myself on what's actually happening and how things work, but as Glenn and I like to reiterate, we are technical traders and we're just following the market, and we like to know what's going on after the fact. We're not basing our decisions based on the news or cycles. Like these earnings report, we're going to send this email out on what stocks to look forward to for earnings, and maybe there'll be potential plays before or after that, but not solely based on those earnings. What you shouldn't be buying based on what the forecast is, or selling based on what their shortage is. We want to let the technicals play out first and then take action. So
Yeah.
trade what's in front of you.
That's right. That's right. Can't even rely on the weatherman nowadays.
Yeah, right. You got that right, man.
Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We got Trading Topic Tuesdays this coming Tuesday, 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. We're going to answer the question, is trading a scam? Is it a scam?
Forex a scam?
Is Forex a scam? Okay.
Never heard of Forex market before.
We're going to be answering that question on Tuesday for Trading Topic Tuesdays, because, yes, it's relatable a lot. I see it out there all day, all over social media, and this is something we just want to help shine light on, help educate, give some knowledge and value and experience, but based on what we experience ourselves. So stay tuned for that, Trading Topic Tuesday. What other thing? We just had Coffee and Charts on Saturday. That was a good talk. So at the end of every month, we just do a nice breakdown of the trades that we took on the previous month, and we can go ahead and do that. So holidays are coming up. It is November, officially November, tomorrow.
Crazy, man.
Crazy time. It's going by. 2021 is going by. So stay tuned. Stick with us. We got big stuff coming up, launching in the next few months. Feel free to join our communities. Check out HawaiiTradingAcademy.com. Sign up there. We'll send you the link, put you on the list. That way you can get access to our weekly watch list. All right, y'all have a safe, blessed night. Enjoy the trick or treating. Have some fun. Stay safe.